Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to draw Captain Pikachu using Procreate. Okay, first you draw the circle, then I'm going to copy that and draw another circle. Okay, first I'm getting the frame, now an oval for the ear. I'm going to copy that and then do the flip and put it on the left. And that part's the hat. I'm just doing a rough sketch right now. Of course, later it's going to get better. And then the badge on the hat. And the feet. And Pikachu's arms. You can see that they're crossed. His cheek. And then, okay, I drew that to match the level of his eyes. You can see he's a little angry. He looks angry. And, okay, now I'm going to draw on top with a little more detail. His mouth. And his tail. You can see how angular they are, and the shadow of the tail. And then, okay, the foot, I'm gonna draw it a little bigger. And okay, drawing the body on top. You see how I'm following the frame that I made, two circles. Pikachu's body is usually head 50 and body 50, so you can just use two circles like that and it'll be easy. And okay, I'm drawing the ears, and okay, I'm drawing that again, because I'm drawing it again. Try to make it better. So after this, I'm going to do another final sketch on top of it with another layer. Right now, I'm just doing a rough sketch. You can see like how I'm just drawing lines, keep drawing lines, following. See, it doesn't go very much over the circle frame. Then the lines you can see, and the shadow and the tail shadow. Then I'm going to, yes, take off the layer, and so that's what I did. I drew on top and erased the background so you can see. It looks like I've done it in one stroke, right? And of course there's some things to fix here too. I can adjust that by drawing again and erasing a little and adding the details. You can see how I'm adding the details. That's the other like reflection part of his cap. And the mark inside the badge in his hat. Captain Mark. Okay, so now the eyes. Okay, I'm going to draw the nose again. The mouth. The cheeks. Then, okay, I'm going to erase some there. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to draw the hand. Okay, the arms look a little thin, so I'm making it look thicker. And the shadows. feet and the body. Yes, I'm drawing all over again on top. And the eyes again. Yes. I should have just copied the circle, but you can just do it like this too. And then this time it's not a draft sketch, it's the real thing. It's a real drawing, so you can see how I'm using perfect circles, right? And erase that tip of the circle. And I'm drawing on top with a little thicker brush. And it'll cover all the small, very thin lines. And it'll look neater. Let's see how it will look like at the end. So and keep drawing on top. You can see. You can do this too. You can follow. And then okay, the round part that's on, like in between Pikachu's eyes is the shadow part. And then okay, I'm drawing the foot again. And the shadow part and the other shadow part for the arms. See like how it's progressing more. It's getting clearer and clearer. And see? Yes, that so I deleted the layer before, so you see how it's clear now, right? Of course there's some things you have to fix here. You can do that. And yes, I'm going to fix the hat shape a little. Do some tweaks here and there. Yeah, I'm going to fix that. A little more accurate. So I'm going to see like how it makes a perfect arc when you just hold on to the pencil, your Apple Pencil or other pencil. And then yes, the bottom part of the cap. Deleting, erasing, and redrawing to make it more accurate. And this part has... Okay, so I turned down the grid because of the badge. I wanted to make it more symmetrical. So I'm doing that using it. You can see how I'm making it more symmetrical now. Using the eraser tool to erase. Okay, when you draw it wrong, you can always do it over on top and erase the part that you want to erase. And then it's going to get fixed. And this part, I'm going to copy and flip it and put it on the right. So it'll be very symmetrical, right? There. And then I'm going to erase the part I drew before with an eraser. It's not hard. Just make the eraser too very thin. You can erase it. So you see, looks identical, left and right. Okay, looks way better, right? The batch. And now we're done. Okay, so you can subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I'm finishing up the eyes. Okay, coloring that blank spot over there. And then, yes. So yes, if you want to learn how to draw like other things, you can watch my other videos and subscribe and put that like button. And you can see the next video for painting.